Okay, quick little video on the BRC controller, 300 controller, and the cameras. So, this is set up for all dip switches in the off position on the controller and on the cameras. Some of our cameras are hard to get to the dip switches, but rest assured they're in the off position. So, this interesting little flash that I'm getting, let's try to get a little shade so you can see it, turns out to be that the obviously we're only using the out, so the in's not plugged in. You go out of the controller to the first camera, over to the second camera. The interesting little flash is because if you plug these all in, everything looks good. I'm coming in the controller here, which is the in. I'm going into the thing, into the camera. The flash is because these are actually backwards. So I'm in right on the cabling on the Cat 5 side, but on the connectors, they should be this way. Okay, so fixing those wires back the way that they're supposed to be. When you go into the camera, if you power cycle the camera itself, and let me show you that. Well, here, I'll just turn everything off. See, the camera's all dip. Cameras will go into reset. The controller will blink like this as it's trying to do its addressing. Cameras are all doing their cycle. It will come back up, they will talk to the controller, and then they will auto-assign by the order in which they are wired. So red, black 100-footer goes out and around to this camera first, goes to the purple wire to that camera second. It's found this address is automatically addressed. You can see if they're online by pushing the power button. It'll show you have two cameras hooked up because the two are lit. And if we select camera 1, we can find that it's moving. In camera 2, you can see the on-air light go on, and everything is happy. If you need to readdress these without power cycling the cameras or the whole system, if you hold the reset button and push power, it'll go into that same mode, and it'll go through and readdress itself, again, in the order that it's wired, and everything will be hunky-dory. You can check again by looking at the power button, and everything is happy. All dip switches should be in the off position using these connectors, and they have an in and an out. Make sure that on the back of the camera, not only do you wire them in and out, but when you hook them into the camera itself, that your in and out go to the right in and out.